Hello all, I am Dr. Rizvi and today in this video we will learn how to develop a response surface model for three factors having 1020 experiments. So let us start with our video. After starting the Design Expert software, here we have the version 13 of Design Expert. We will click on New Design. On clicking upon New Design, we will see various options here. As we have to develop a response surface model, so we will click on response surface. Several options are given here. We will develop a central composite design, that is CCD, with RSM having 20 experiments. So we will click on central composite and we will increase our number of factors as 3. Here the value of alpha is 1.68179. We will change it to face centered and the value of alpha will be 1. We will press OK and here you can see that value of alpha is changed to 1 and it is now a face centered central composite design. The non-center points are 14 and the center points are 14. These center points denotes the 000 value of the three parameters that we have selected. After developing the experimental design, we will see that the last 6 experiment will have the center points, that is the value 000 in their list. So we will put the three parameters here. For example, if we are conducting a turning operation in mechanical engineering on lathe, so we will have three basic parameters, that are speed, feed and depth of cut. These are the three basic parameters. Here we will place their unit. For example, it is RPM, it is mm per revolution and depth of cut will be in mm. We can place any value between any range between low and high for speed. For example, we place it as 300 and the highest value will be 1000 rpm. For the feed rate, it might be according to your experiment, it can be any value. You can place any value as per your research. For example, it is 0.2 and 0.6 and let depth of cut be 5 mm to 15 mm. So we have placed all the levels low and high for three different factors of a turning operation. After placing all these values and making the value of alpha as 1, we will click on next button. Clicking upon the next button, we will get this window of central composite design. For example, if we have one response and we have to check the hardness or surface roughness or any response that we have opted after getting the material cut on lathe through the turning operation. For example, if we take it as surface roughness, so we will write surface roughness as a response and its unit is microns. It is measured in microns, so we will put the unit as micrometer and finally we will click on finish button. Upon clicking the finish button, we will get this list of experiment. It is not standardized, so to make it standardized, we will double click on STD, standard button, and now the experiment list is standardized. Now we will perform the experiment 1 with speed 300 rpm with feed rate 0.2 mm per revolution and depth of cut as 5 mm. Similarly, the second experiment will be performed with RPM as 1000, speed as 1000 RPM, feed rate as 0.2 mm per revolution and depth of cut as 5 mm. And upon conducting all these 20 experiments, we will get some value of surface roughness which we will place later in this slot, and we can later analyze the data that we have obtained through the experiments and get the optimum result of these parameters through response surface methodology. Thank you.